me tell you about the app called Roadie. Roadie is kind of more like a ride share dispatch app. If you're going in a certain direction and you want to take something, you can. You can pick it up, drop it off. But they do have high paying jobs on here that you can catch. Now, when you first cut it on, the map looks like this. Mind you, this is later in the afternoon. So in the morning, the map is filled. There's a lot of gigs, mainly Home Depot, but you'll see gigs like this. Now, this gig is paying $45. It tells you the miles, 10 miles, 15 miles, and how long it should take you. It says huge. So that means you probably would need an SUV or a van. As you can see here in the descriptions, it's 10 items, 87 pounds for the heaviest, 255 for total weight. They would need it done by 402 as you've seen. $45. Let me take you down here. 27 miles, San Francisco to Oakland, $28 from the airport, and it's probably more than likely just some luggage, one piece of luggage, should I say. And most definitely it'll tell you, it says large right there, 27 miles. One, like I said, 50 pounds with rollers on it, more than likely. It's probably a suitcase, like I said, so easy money. That's just gas money. And if you're going the opposite way, they will reimburse you for bridge tow. After the job is complete and you receive the notice in the mail, you pretty much take a picture, load it up to the app, and they'll reimburse you. Now you can go down south, SoCal, LA. In this area, like I said, it is usually cracking. 53 minutes for that one. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Now, like I said, earlier in the day, usually you'll see a lot more jobs. Script drop. That's more than likely something to do medical. Most definitely, you'll pick up from a medical facility and probably drop off at residential or another medical facility. Arizona, 7 deliveries, $88 in AZ. I would have took that if I was out there, most definitely. I probably would have knocked that out, and look at the time they give you to complete it, almost 7 o'clock. And that's 7 stops, 7 deliveries, 7 pounds being the heaviest item. So, yeah, that would have been an easy one, no-brainer for me. I would have got that money right there. And you can go down south further, and like I said, this is pretty much the whole U.S., especially with this app, and you'll find good high-paying gigs. And, the further you go down south, of course, the cost of living is a little bit cheaper, so some of the jobs may be paying a little bit less, and that's okay, because what you make down there, this extra money or just making this your business and getting the money that you can get after a 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8 hour day doing this, trust me, it'll be worth it. You'll get your money for sure. New York, usually on the East Coast, is cracking. It's usually a lot of jobs posted. Like I said, once again, this is later in the afternoon as I'm recording this. So, yeah, if you cut on the app and it's early morning, there'll be so many gigs posted. And once again, this is my medium. This is my second go-to dispatch app. I use this second, Rapidus first. As you guys seen in my Rapidus clip, I love Rapidus, but this Roadie in between Rapidus, you can kill it as well. I usually stop at a spot in San Jose called Tire Distributors, and usually I love doing tires, man. They pay you pretty good. You'll usually get car tires, and you'll drop them off from the distribution center maybe to like another tire spot to where the customer needs that tire or those tires. But yeah, man, this app is everywhere. We go in Atlanta, GA. It's money out there. It's money to get. And usually when you show up to these gigs, most definitely during COVID, show up with a mask. Gloves aren't required, but if you want to put on gloves, you most definitely can. But, as you see, there is money everywhere. Huge items, large items, and small items to be delivered. But most definitely, this app can get you some money as well. And I'm just showing you guys, you know, across the map just to show you that it is money everywhere and you most definitely can get it. And with Roadie, sometimes you'll put in for an offer on a job, and it might take a little bit for them to, you know, actually give you the job and accept your offer, which would be the price. And here's a few pictures of some of the, like I said, I love tires. I'm always doing tires. Pick up, drop off, you know, that's taking a picture for the app, letting you know, hey, it's dropped off. I done my job. Pick up again. Easy money, easy 4. Another easy 4. Nice pickup.